Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be last minute quick and easy Eid makeup look. It's really easy and quick to do. I took about 15 minutes to do this, but that was because I'm filming. If I wasn't filming, I would finish it within 5 to 10 minutes. So it's really easy and quick to do, and it's also glowy, which I love, and I hope you enjoy it. So without a further ado, let's get started. First, I'm using this moisturizer by Sukin. Oily and combination skin people would love this. It feels heavy at first when you touch it, but after applying it, it just absorbs quickly and it does not give too much glow, which oily people don't like. For the foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal foundation and I'm first dotting it all over my face, applying very little of it, not much, and then buffing it out with this buffing brush by BS Mall. For the concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and applying it under my eyes and then blending it out with this PAC concealer brush. It's in the number 272. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm also applying it on my eyelids. Next, I'm taking my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42 and applying it on the spots on my cheeks and also near my mouth area where I have some pigmentation. To set the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Compact and picking a lot of powder using this powder brush. It's a fluffy brush, and applying it where I applied the concealer and even on my T-zone where I get oily. And also use your touch and check if your concealer is still wet, and if it is, then apply more powder till it feels matte and smooth. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using my Goof Proof Brow Pencil as usual and filling my eyebrows with it. Next, I'm spritzing my face with some rose water. You can use any face mist which you have. For the bronzer, I'm using this bronzer from the Makeup Revolution Iconic palette and using this brush from Pro Art and applying it on the sides of my face. For the blush, I'm using the blush from the same palette and applying it on my cheeks, on my nose, and I'm applying a lot of it because I love blush. For the highlight, I'm using this stick highlighter by Sugar and applying it on the highest points of my cheeks and then blending it out with my fingers. I'm also applying it on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin, and again blending it out. It gives a really subtle and natural glow. Next, I'm taking that bronzer and with my fingers I'm applying it all over my lids. You can even use a brush for this if you want. Next, I'm using this Dubai shade and applying it all over my lid using my finger. You can use any shimmery shade which you have. Then to blend out the edges, I'm using this blending brush by PAC. Next, I'm mixing these two shades called Henna and Sandalwood and applying it underneath my eyes using this blending brush and also blending a little bit in my crease with whatever shade is left on it. I wanted more shimmer on my eyelid, so I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty. I love this. This is in the shade 03 Champagne and I'm applying it all over my lid and also cutting my crease with it because it's really easy because of the applicator. For the mascara, I'm using L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara and I'm using the lash primer which comes with it first and I'm letting it dry for some time. Till then, I'm finishing the rest of the makeup. I'm using this nude pencil by Wet n Wild and applying it on my lower waterline. You can even apply a black kajal, a brown kajal, even a white would do, whatever you like. For the lipstick, I'm using Nykaa Mattelicious Crayon in the shade Lacy Luck. This is my favorite shade at the moment. On top of it, I'm using the NYX lip cream in the shade Budapest. I love the combination of these two lipsticks. And I'm also applying some gloss. This is by Huda Beauty in the shade Snobby because why not? And now that the primer is kind of dried, I'm applying the mascara on top of it. You can even apply falsies if you want, but I wanted to keep it simple, so I'm skipping the falsies. In the end, I'm again spritzing some rose water all over my face. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching and Eid Mubarak to everybody who's celebrating. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!